A few days I received a comment on the website about what I was going to do about backup on Ubuntu or Ubuntu, and what I did is went to Applications, Add and Remove Programs. Under Add and Remove Programs you can type in Backup to search, and I found this tool called Simple Backup. You need to check both of these boxes, then check Apply and OK to install the program. It takes just a few moments. Then you click System, and under Administration you'll find the Simple Backup Config and the Restore utilities. So click the Config first. Once you get into the backup program, you can use their recommended backup settings, or you can make your own custom or manual only. So I chose to do manual backups. And once you're in the manual backups, you just click on the different tabs. You choose which directories or files you want to include. So we're going to include an extra file here to the couple of folders I already have there. So once I'm in the file manager portion of Ubuntu here, I can click. I'm going to go to the home folder, and once I'm there I'm just going to find a quick small file that we can back up. There's a nice little document. We'll open it up there. That way it'll be a new addition to our backup. Then we'll go to the exclusion part of the tabs, and you can see where you can choose maximum size, the types of files, those different things that you want to exclude from your backup. Then of course the destination. So that's the important part. I'm going to use a USB flash drive. So to navigate to a flash drive in Ubuntu, you click on the Open. Then you have to click this little bar way over here on the left hand side, and to find your flash drive, double click Media, and then the name of my flash drive is Kingston. So I'll double click Kingston, and then within the Kingston I have a folder called Backup. So I'll open that up, save those settings, and then if I'd like to I can even set up a time where it'll back up at regular intervals, but in this particular case we're just going to back it up now manually. So I'll click Backup now. The program does tell you that a backup has been initiated, but it doesn't give you any kind of progress report, so you just have to trust it's happening. So we'll just click Close here. And then to verify that it did happen, we can go back to System, and then Administration, and Simple Backup Restore. And once you get to the Simple Backup Restore, it will open up your default location where you backed up your information. And then if you click under the available backups, it will show you all the different backups that have been performed. So the most recent one will be at the top. Then it shows me the different files and folders that were backed up to that location. I can dig down through, and there is the document. If I click and look at another direction, or another directory that was backed up, I can see that I backed up my pictures, and if I want to restore any individual one or the entire folder, I can just click on what I want to restore, and then click the Restore button. And it'll ask you, are you sure? If you choose Restore As, you can change the location of the backup. So I'm going to throw these on the desktop. Probably not a very good idea, but I'll click Yes anyway. And then after a few moments, the backup completes. So that's the backup solution that I have found in Ubuntu Linux, and I will continue to hunt for other options, but right now this looks like a fairly decent option.